Hey, what's up my loves? Welcome back to today's video, and I'm here with an amazing hair butter, guys. This butter is amazing. I previously did a leave-in conditioner and you guys love it so much so I recreated it again in form of a butter. So you have a leave-in spray already, and now you're going to have a hair butter. It's me, Maryam Kapama, your natural hair superstar. I do DIY video using natural ingredients, so I kindly suggest that you subscribe, and of course with the bell notification so get notified every time I do an upload. Okay, thank you. Also on the gram, if I'm not on YouTube, so be sure to catch up with me on the gram by 90kp. Let's get right into it. For the ingredients, we'll be using these amazing ingredients. We'll be using the carrots, guys. Carrot is something you all have access to, right? Carrots are amazing. They are packed with nutrients that are really going to help out your hair and skin and scalp. Carrots contain vitamin A, the nutrient that helps in conditioning the scalp, guys. Carrot is also very nice when it comes to combating hair loss. Of this butter will help you strengthen your hair, and of course you're going to retain length since you're going to reduce hair loss, guys. Also, carrots helps a lot when it comes to preventing premature graying, and of course since it's a butter, it's really good when it comes to restoring moisture since you're going to use it as a sealant, guys. So you're going to definitely gain and retain length. Next, for the ingredients, I'll be using this shea butter, guys. I got this from Nasofa. If you're interested, check down the description box. And of course, I use 1 big scoop of the shea butter just to make this butter for you guys. Shea butter is amazing. It's soft, it's easy penetrating, and it's a powerhouse, guys. It has natural ingredients since it's all natural, and it's going to soften your hair and of course leaving them hydrated, and of course it's going to seal in the moisture, guys. Shea butter is a powerhouse, guys. Don't sleep on this butter. If you're looking forward to grow out your hair, then making your own butters using shea butter will be a great way to start, guys. Okay, yeah, if you're getting values, please go ahead and like this video, and I'll so much appreciate. Or if you have opinion, leave them down in the comment section. I'll try as much as humanly possible to respond, guys. Moving on next to the next ingredients, we're going to be using mango butter, guys. Mango butter, just like the shea butter, they're all butters from natural ingredients. This is from mango, as it says itself, and it's really soft, guys. It's going to add texture to your butter, so when it comes to application, it's going to melt in easily and effortlessly since it has a lower melting point. It's going to make the whole application of the butter to your hair melt in effortlessly, so you're not going to be having like product build-up, like butter build-up on your hair. No, it's going to melt it in. It's going to melt in. So how to prepare this amazing butter? We're using both shea butter, mango butter, and of course we're adding in the carrots. I'm adding carrots. As you see, I've grated these carrots in order to make them. The previous I used carrots, fenugreek, and lemongrass to make the DIY leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to leave it in the cards for you to see down in the description box to make the leave-in conditioner, which you guys love so much. So to make this oil, I added the carrots in the butter, but the fenugreek and the lemongrass, guys, I did a separate video which is also coming in next week. So be sure, I want to encourage you to highly subscribe, and of course with the notification bell so you get notified when I do post the next video where I show you how to infuse fenugreek and lemongrass oil. So here we have our mixture which is already infused. The butter is all orangey because the carrots has infused properly and I've left it to cool. Next, moving on to straining, so as we can extract the oils and the butters from the mixture of carrots, because we only want the nutrients that are found in the carrots. Using this carrot butter will help you so much when it comes to preventing premature graying, guys. Premature graying of your hair. If your hair is getting gray before you age, it's due to lack of vitamins A, guys. So using this butter, you're going to eliminate gray hair, guys, in a consistent use of this DIY. Okay, strain everything and let it and put it in the freezer for it to freeze. Then I would really show you how I whip this, but I used a spoon to whip this and I didn't want to show you how I struggle. So just go ahead and use your hand mixer, and of course pray for your girl to get a hand mixer, because I'm really it's time for kitchen aid, guys. So for now we move. So I have whipped the carrots butter, and of course I've been adding this lemongrass oil that you're seeing here. Lemongrass oil, if you haven't seen this, I'm also going to attach a video on the cards on how I prepared it. And I have been whipping the butter, the carrots, the shea and the mango butter, whipping it while adding the lemongrass oil, whipping right adding on the oil. But the oil that I used, guys, I'm going to show you how I made it next week. The lemongrass plus the fenugreek, guys. So be sure you subscribe. Okay, so this is the lemongrass oil that I used to add to my butter. You know, you add in as much oil as you can. And lemongrass, guys, it's a powerhouse, guys. It's full of nutrients, and of course they're all necessary that you need for your hair and scalp, because lemongrass strengthens the hair follicles. They are rich with great source of iron, and they treat conditions such as anemia or iron deficiency, which they all lead to hair loss, guys. So it's very important that we compact the lemongrass to this butter, guys. So keep adding and whipping until you reach the consistency that you like. Carefully in mind, know that after some time this butter will harden. So add enough oil just to make sure you get it right, guys. So here's the DIY leave-in conditioner I made earlier and the lemongrass I just showed you. But next I'll have the mixture of lemongrass infused oil and the fenugreek, guys. So it's a power oil. Be sure you subscribe because it's coming up next to my channel. So when you like the consistency, then you are ready to pipe it to your storage, and this is what we have, guys. So here's the DIY carrot, fenugreek and lemongrass butter, guys. This butter is amazing. It's so soft due to mango butter. It does not even pour. You see, it's really soft to touch and it melts effortlessly. Look at that, just one application, one scrub and it's gone. It melts effortlessly and it works amazing for the hair, guys. This woman here is my mother. She's my rock. I love her to the moon and back and forth. You know, I use her as my lab. Wherever everything I make, she uses, and her hair is long. But yo, I can't say much. I'll see you guys in the video on the screen. Until next time, guys, bye bye.